The Mariana Trench, a scar on the Earth's face, a wound that plunges nearly 11 kilometers into the black heart of our planet. It's a realm of unimaginable pressure, crushing darkness, and icy temperatures, a place science once declared utterly hostile to complex life. For centuries, humanity peered into this abyssal void, convinced that nothing but the most primitive microbes could ever hope to survive such an extreme environment, let alone thrive. Imagine trying to exist where the weight of 100 jumbo jets presses down on every inch of your body, where sunlight is an ancient myth, and the chill of near-freezing water pervades everything. It sounds like a scene from another world, doesn't it? But then, a discovery shattered our deepest preconceptions, sending ripples through the scientific community and igniting an entirely new, perplexing mystery, a mystery embodied by a creature so delicate, so seemingly fragile, that its very existence defies every known principle of biology and physics. How could a fish, a complex vertebrate, not only survive but actually flourish in conditions that would instantly obliterate almost any other organism on Earth? This is the story of the Mariana Trench snailfish, a living paradox, a testament to life's incredible adaptability, and a creature that forces us to question everything we thought we knew about the absolute boundaries of complex life. Its mere presence challenges the very definition of what is possible. Imagine a creature born from the deepest shadows, with no scales, translucent, almost ethereal skin, and bones so soft they barely register as solid. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Mariana snailfish, specifically, species like Pseudoliparus swirii, an animal perfectly engineered for a world where light never penetrates and pressure exceeds 800 times that at sea level. First observed swimming gracefully, almost defying gravity, at depths exceeding 8,000 meters, these aren't just struggling survivors, they are the undisputed apex predators of their unique niche, feasting on small crustaceans and amphipods in a landscape that resembles a desolate, alien moonscape. Their bodies are gelatinous, a shimmering, almost ghost-like form against the perpetual blackness, allowing them to withstand forces that would turn even the most robust deep-sea submarine into a crumpled can. But this delicate, ephemeral appearance belies an extraordinary, almost incomprehensible resilience, a suite of biological marvels that allows them to confidently call the deepest, darkest parts of our oceans their exclusive, thriving home. What astonishing, unimaginable evolutionary pathways led to such an improbable existence, to a creature so perfectly attuned to the very edge of biological possibility? It's a question that has haunted scientists since their discovery, pushing the limits of our understanding of life itself. To truly grasp the enigma of the snailfish, to begin to comprehend its miraculous survival, we must first confront the sheer, brutal physics of its environment. At 8,000 meters, every single square centimeter of the snailfish's body endures a staggering 800 atmospheres of pressure, the equivalent of an elephant standing on your thumb, or, perhaps more accurately, the weight of 1,000 elephants piled on top of a small car. For the vast majority of organisms, this kind of pressure is not just lethal, it's instantaneously destructive. It distorts proteins, literally squeezing the life out of individual cells, disrupting vital chemical reactions that are the very foundation of metabolism and existence, and ultimately causing cell membranes, the delicate barriers of life, to rupture catastrophically. Our own bodies, if exposed, would instantly collapse, our bones pulverized into dust, our tissues compressed beyond any recognition. Even the water molecules that make up so much of life behave differently under such unimaginable stress. So, how do the snailfish's cells, its intricate proteins, its delicate biological machinery, manage to resist this overwhelming, omnipresent force? What astonishing evolutionary trick allows their molecular structures to maintain integrity, to function perfectly, when all around them, the world is trying to crush them into oblivion, to reduce them to molecular paste? For years, this question remained one of the ocean's most profound riddles, a biological Gordian knot. But through painstaking research, scientists have finally begun to unravel some of the snailfish's incredible secrets, pinpointing two primary, intertwined adaptations that are nothing short of engineering masterpieces. First, and perhaps most crucial, is a remarkable organic molecule called trimethylamine N-oxide, or simply TMAO. This unassuming compound acts as a powerful osmolyte, essentially a chemical bodyguard for proteins. In the snailfish's cells, TMAO is present in exceptionally high concentrations, sometimes dozens of times higher than what's found in shallower water fish. It actively counteracts the pressure-induced distortion of proteins, helping them maintain their correct, intricate three-dimensional shapes and ensuring vital biochemical functions continue unhindered. Think of it like an invisible, molecular scaffolding, supporting life's delicate architecture against an unseen, yet utterly relentless, crushing force. Second, complementing this chemical defense, is their unique skeletal structure, remarkably flexible and yielding. Unlike the rigid, highly calcified bones of most fish, snailfish possess highly cartilaginous skeletons, composed predominantly of flexible, unmineralized tissue. This inherent elasticity, this biological pliancy, allows their bodies to yield rather than resist the immense external pressure, distributing the intense force uniformly across their entire form without fracturing. It's a remarkable strategy of compliance over confrontation, a living example of how to bend without breaking. Yet, even with these astonishing adaptations, the molecular shield of TMAO and the yielding flexibility of their skeletons, there are profound, absolute limits to the snailfish's reign. Researchers have proposed a fascinating concept known as the thermal window hypothesis. This theory suggests there's a specific, incredibly narrow range of depths and temperatures where these adaptations are optimally effective. While TMAO is a lifesaver, too much TMAO can also become problematic, disrupting other essential cellular processes. There's a biological sweet spot, a delicate equilibrium. This elegant theory helps explain why snailfish, for all their deep-sea prowess, aren't typically found in the even deeper parts of the trench, like the very bottom of the Challenger Deep at nearly 11,000 meters. Some studies suggest that even that abyss might be too cold and too pressured, pushing TMAO past its effective limit, making life biologically impossible for them. It also critically explains why they can't simply swim much shallower either. Their high TMAO levels, while protective at extreme depths, would make them metabolically inefficient and highly susceptible to different physiological stresses in shallower, warmer waters, effectively poisoning them. They are hyper-specialized survivors, locked into their abyssal niche, paradoxically unable to escape the very conditions they've so brilliantly mastered. This delicate balance, this biological tightrope walk, reveals the profound trade-offs inherent in such extreme adaptation. Despite these remarkable discoveries, the Mariana Trench snailfish continues to hold many profound secrets. How did these specific, complex adaptations evolve over countless generations in such an isolated, extreme environment? What are the full suite of genes that orchestrate this unique biochemistry, this perfect biological symphony against pressure? And what other unknown, unimaginable organisms might be lurking in the unexplored pockets of the trench, pushing the boundaries of life even further, waiting to redefine our understanding once again? Every expedition, every probe into these extreme environments, seems to reveal new wonders, new biological puzzles, constantly reminding us that our planet, even in its most inhospitable corners, absolutely teems with an astonishing, almost defiant diversity of life. They defy our assumptions, challenge our understanding, and force us to reconsider the very definition of resilience. The Mariana Trench is not merely a deep hole in the ocean floor, it's a living laboratory, a dynamic testament to life's tenacity, its ingenuity, and its boundless capacity for adaptation. What more will we find as our technology allows us to peer deeper, to ask more probing questions, to truly listen to the whispers from the abyss? The answers, surely, will continue to redefine our perception of what is truly possible, not just on Earth, but perhaps, far, far beyond. Stay curious, stay questioning, and join us next time as we plunge even deeper into another chilling deep ocean mystery.